Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Police Discover Dog Breeder's House of Horrors. Oh boy, come on, man. Don't tell me the dogs are being kept in bad conditions, man. That's horrible.
On a gloomy afternoon, officers arrived at a property to assist with an investigation involving children. They were assessing the children's living conditions when they suddenly witnessed something disturbing. More than 35 dogs had been left on the property, living in terrible conditions. They were malnourished, covered in bruises, and showed signs of torture. But the worst was yet to come.
Do you want me to take the pictures and send them for them to you?
The trainer could take
He's going to take them. So this one just came back from breeding, right? I think so.
It looks like it's blind or something. Oop, there you go.
Come here, baby.
Yeah, no water.
These kennels?
I'm not sure. Are there dogs in the kennels behind you? No. Are we going out the back door or are we going upstairs?
This is our job.
Are there dogs aggressive back there?
That's what I said. I didn't know if any of those dogs were aggressive.
Right.
That's what any of them aggressive?
Against strangers?
No, not me. No.
She says no, but
Right, you never know.
Stay. Stay. Are you guys coming out?
Yeah, we'll walk out with you. Oh, back in. Other way.
The whole place smelled like a rotting corpse. It was difficult to check all the corners, yet the officers were determined to examine every puppy.
What's up, baby Rottweiler?
What's the Rottweiler's name?
Duchess.
Hello. Hello. I'm trying to say hi.
She just gave birth. Bella, stop. Bella, stop.
Okay, definitely watch your step. I don't want dog poop in my choker. You're a big dog.
Nearly the entire property was scattered with separate cages for dogs. The cages looked as though they hadn't been cleaned in ages. Most were filthy, and the dogs hadn't even been given food or water, except for a few. Needless to say, the feces hadn't been cleaned at all, and the dogs had been living and sleeping in their own waste.
How can you treat animals like that, man? I don't understand it, bro. If you can't afford an animal, you shouldn't get one. They're similar to kids, you know what I mean? Like, you got to take care of them. You know, like, if you're going out of town for an extended period of time, you got to get a babysitter and stuff like that, you know, or a dog sitter. I mean, dang, just to see, I hope in this video they find whoever owns this property. Like, this is really what I'm waiting on. I want to see who that is.
That dog is laying in shit. He's separated. That guy's in tree. How he can't even get out?
The two male officers were inspecting the kennels when a female officer approached them with a horrifying discovery.
This dog in here, you said? Oh yeah, all the way in the back, yep. Are you skinny too? Let's see. Yeah, kind of small.
There's a dog in there.
I call that like diarrhea poop though.
This dog looks like it's starved to death.
This one here?
No.
Oh, back there even worse?
It's dead.
Yeah, that was our concern. Oh wow.
It's bad.
Yeah. Oh no, that's so bad.
It's real bad. Real bad.
Yeah, you might not survive.
No, it's dead.
It's dead already. Oh.
What? What? They have one dog living with another dog and the other dog is dead? Wow. Oh my God. These guys need to rot in jail, bro. At least a dime. They need at least a dime piece. Like at least 10 years, bro. This is bad, bro. Bad. This is insane. How can you leave dogs? And I'm trying to figure out what type of operation are you running? Are you, discovered dog breeders or whatever? But listen, what type of quality of the offspring you think that the other dogs are gonna have if they're not even properly, got the right nutrition and stuff like that? Like, I mean, are you just only relying on genetics and you think you don't have to take care of the dog? Like, come on. That's like having a kid and putting them in the worst environment, and then you just think that without any guidance that they're gonna succeed in life? No.
It's gone. It's been dead a while.
Oof. Watch your step, man.
That's enough for us.
Are you watching your step? If you get dog poop, I'll make you take off your boots.
Are they all friendly-ish?
She's not sure about those.
They're fine.
No, I don't know about that.
We'll go in there last.
Okay.
I'll bring my catch pole just in case we need to fend them off a little.
There's a dead dog over there.
There's dogs in here as well, right?
What?
I'm sorry, what?
She didn't know.
I let her know.
Yeah.
If you watch your step, obviously, but when you walk around, the one behind this crate, you'll see him in the back.
The dog back.
Got another one.
Another Sentinel 7. So our concerns are panning out.
That one's gone.
Oh, wow.
Get out of there. Come here. Are you stuck? Come on.
Wow, that's ridiculous.
Shit. That dog's stuck. This is a shit show. Did it get
Oh,
out?
it got out.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
That's a big one. This game might not hold that one.
All right.
There's nothing in there. So that's literally two deceased dogs. We didn't even get to the back yet.
The officers kept discovering one dead dog after another.
There's another one over here. Another dead dog. Watch your step.
Not even that.
So then this is now an offense.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Why y'all kept back here, man?
Pretty sure they're making fighting.
I know they use them to breed them, but did you see the other one? Oh, okay. It was like stuck in a hole, and it died there, I guess.
I'm so glad that it was second. That wasn't
Right.
that's done.
This is gonna be offense now, so. You got food at least. At least these aren't all full back here. I thought they might have
Even go back there.
been over there. Why, what happened? Stinks?
The audio has been muted by the police department, but you can see the conditions of the dogs living inside the property.
Wow. It's just crazy to see people could treat their pets like that.
They
And
called the owner to investigate the matter, but what the owner told the police was not a good sign.
Turn the volume up.
Last night, and the police said that Emerald was to get an escort and leave last night or this morning. So I was waiting for someone to say that she was gone, so I didn't really secure the house. But it sounds like something else is going on now, and no one has notified me. I'm the owner, so can you tell me now what's going on?
So basically, as far as your animals are concerned, do you know about the animals on your property?
I don't know about all the animals. I know my son has a lot of pets.
How many dogs do you know of?
I don't know how many. I was over there last night for the first time.
I can't hear. Can you turn it up?
This is the highest.
Oh, okay.
I just know he has a lot of pets.
When's the last time you were at the house?
I came to the house last night and met with the officer, but I didn't go in the house. They had me to park on the side of the road. I took my grandchildren and left.
Okay. And you said you're the owner of the house?
I am the owner of the house.
Okay, so when's the last time you've been inside the house or in the backyard of the house?
Years.
Okay. Yeah, so there's a lot that's been going on apparently on the property here, and that's basically why we're here now, on top of other things that occurred last night.
Okay, what is the situation with what I was told last night? That's what I'm asking.
We don't know about the last night incident because we weren't the deputies. We don't work night shift. We weren't here for that. Today we were here to assist another part of the agency with an investigation, and that's how we came upon these animals today. Apparently there's 2 deceased dogs back here in the backyard of your property.
2 deceased dogs?
Correct.
They weren't last night.
Well, you haven't been back here, you said, so yeah. Right. But the 2 that are deceased have been deceased.
yeah, you might wanna keep with your first story that you ain't been in there in years. So you might want to stick with that story before you get to yapping, because you is the owner of the crib. Okay? You is the owner of the house. So you might want to just, yeah. Oh, they weren't last night. Yeah, you might just want to, boop. I don't know. Yeah. Keep it like that. Talk to him nice now.
What is the situation with what I was told last night? That's what I'm asking.
We don't know about the last night incident because we weren't the deputies. We don't work night shift. We weren't here for that. Today we were here to assist another part of the agency with an investigation, and that's how we came upon these animals today. Apparently there's 2 deceased dogs back here in the backyard of your property.
2 deceased dogs?
Correct.
They weren't last night.
Well, you haven't been back here, you said, so yeah. Right. But the 2 that are deceased have been deceased for at least days. And then, so that's why animal control is involved, and that's why there's a whole, investigation going on. If you wanted to follow up with the deputy that took the report last night, basically you can call a non-emergency number, and you can request a phone message, or a phone message request, basically. It gets put into the deputy that took the original report. But they won't be able to tell you about the crimes that occurred last night. Right, you can give the address. Since it's your house, you can request, records on the house and everything like that. So you can kind of see, you can see all the different calls that have come in and complaints made about dog noises and etc. on your property that you own.
Anywhere from French cheese all the way up to like the
All right. The records division will be able to help you out with that.
The police learned that the owner's son, Blake, was using the dogs as breeding machines. He claimed that he and his wife were having issues with groceries, which is why they couldn't provide food for the dogs. He showed no concern for them at all. The police rescued about 39 dogs from the shelter and transferred them to another one. But unfortunately, one of the dogs died in the new shelter due to severe starvation.
Will I be able to get my dog?
On the road? Probably not.
What's going on?
It's an investigation right now, so I can't inform you about anything. So is your dog chipped and all that stuff?
But I got my paperwork.
Registered? Okay.
She registered.
Yeah, it's fine. What they're doing is they're collecting all the dogs. They're going to take them to animal control. Okay. It's an ongoing investigation, so that's all I can tell you. If you got the paperwork for your dog, you can show up and
Go to animal control?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What does he do for you? He just watches your dog?
Nah, he bred my dog. What it is, my dog just had a C-section, and I went to him and I bred with someone else, and I went out of town. He had my dog for me.
I'm sorry?
Like, he was cleaning her C-section, basically taking care of because this is my first
This dog.
Okay, I got you. I
Listen to what one of his staff members says.
That's what's concerning me. Some of them are aggressive if you don't know the dog and they don't know what's going on.
Gotcha.
Okay, and then we've got Malawaz. He's got a pregnant bulldog that's in there. I just saw. I just came and treated her. Matter of fact, about 4 days ago, bathed her and everything. We also did her dog, which is the big. I can't think of his name. I'm sorry. Bathed her dog. All the pregnant ones got bathed, nails clipped about 4 days ago. I do whelping services and like the pregnant.
How many dogs is it that you usually see in the house?
Oh, well, he had that pregnant the pregnant English bulldog, and then he had the Caucasian Shepherds.
Okay.
So.
All right, give me just a second,
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yeah, when I talked to animal control, they said I would have to speak to you guys. So when I saw you guys here, that's why I figured I would stop.
Hold on, y'all let me know, because I don't know, too much about dogs, like as far as the names. But is Caucasian Shepherd a real name? Like, is that... Like, do we have Caucasian Shepherds? And do we have, like, African-American Shepherds and, like, Hispanic Shepherds? Is Caucasian Shepherds a real breed? Or did she just come up with that to say white, the white dog?
To see if there's anything that, because I'm under the impression he'll be home today or tonight.
I don't think so. Doesn't look like he's going to be getting out of jail tonight.
Is there a bond or anything? So there's more stuff going on than just a fight with his girlfriend?
Yes, there's still an investigation that's ongoing right now.
Okay.
I mean, unfortunately, I can't disclose it or anything.
I understand. See, I didn't know that part, so.
But as of right now, this is an active crime scene, so.
Okay.
But
oh God, that's making me give me chills right now.
I gotcha. So, but he'll follow up with you tomorrow. So I've got your phone number. Since I ran your ID, I've got your address. So he'll be reaching out to you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you very much. I just.
I understand. Don't forget your wallet and phone.
Yes.
Well, technically, you're listed as a resident here, and I'm not sure if you're aware, but we added charges to him. He's still in jail. No, we added, as soon as we left here, we went to the jail, we added charges against him. 30 counts. He has 30 counts of animal cruelty. So he has a high bond, so I can't say if he's gonna pay his bond, but we took heed that you were fearful of him getting out, and we moved along with our process, and we added more charges related to animal cruelty.
Yeah.
It's unmuted.
Unmuted? Yep. Okay, good. All right. It's a search warrant for structure and residence in the name of the state of Florida to the Sheriff of Seminole County, Florida, his deputies, and the Commissioner of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. So we're going to leave a copy of this and the inventory list of everything that we seized, including the animals and any other paraphernalia or equipment related to the animal cruelty. Mom's on her way?
Yeah, can you talk to
Yeah,
her?
I'll
I
talk
don't
to
know
her.
when
Blake faces 26 counts impounding or confining an animal without sufficient food or water, and 4 counts of animal abuse causing death. His bond amount had been set to $21,000. YouTube thinks...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.